Hari Om Tat Sat. I welcome you all for this beautiful yoga session. Sit in any meditative posture. Keep your spine erect. Drop down your shoulder. Relax your shoulder. Adapt Jnana Mudra and resting on your knees. Gently close your eyes. With the closed eyes, observe your whole body from the tip of the toes to the top of the head. Relax your toes, relax your sole, relax your heels, ankle joint, calf muscles, kneecap, thighs, buttocks. Relax each and every bone of your spine. Relax your belly, relax your chest. Drop down your shoulder, relax your shoulders, biceps, elbows, triceps, wrist joint, palm and fingers. Relax your neck, relax your facial muscles and relax your brain. Completely relax your whole body from the tip of the toes to the top of the head. Now focus on deep inhalation and deep exhalation. And now let us start the session with one time Om chanting all together. You can adopt Namaste Mudra or you can sit comfortably. Now inhale deeply and start Om chanting. Feel the beautiful vibration. And now gently open your eyes. And now get ready for asana practice. First asana, Vakrasana, twisting pose. Keep your legs together. Keep your spine erect. Keep your both palm beside your hip. Now with inhalation, bend your right knee and keep your right ankle joint near your left knee joint. Knee should be straight. With the inhalation, keep your right palm on the right knee and with inhalation, lift up your left hand, fold your left elbow and try to keep your left shoulder on the right knee. If you keep this way, then only your hand can be reached up to feet. Now keep your hand straight. Lift up your right feet and keep your fingers under your feet. Then with inhalation, bring your right hand back and keep backside of your spine. Slowly try to move your hip joint, move your middle part of your spine and move your shoulders as much as. Try to twist your spine as much as you can. If you want to do this posture more perfectly, keep mirror backside of you and look at yourself in mirror. In this posture, look at yourself in this final position. If you can see your both ear in backside mirror, then you did a good job. You did this posture 100% correct. Stay in this position in posture at least 1 minute. After 1 minute later, you can slowly turn your head, bring your right hand forward and slowly with the help of your both hand, give support and release your leg. Give support to your back and relax for a while in this posture. Same posture you have to do with another leg. You have done nicely with the right leg. Now same way you have to do with the left leg. So fold your left leg and do it the same way. I will tell you up to 1 minute some benefits. So be in the final position. This practice should not do in the pregnancy, in monthly problems. Ladies should not practice it. If you have appendix hernia problem, don't do this posture. But this posture very good for lower back pain, good for diabetes. If anybody have diabetes, do this posture every day 3 minutes. Every day 3 minutes. If you do this posture within a 3 months, check your diabetes in under control now. Give 3 minutes every day 3 months, then only this posture can help you. Also this posture good for kidney problem, good for liver problem, good for asthma patient, shoulder pain. So do it at least 1 minute right side and 1 minute from left side. Once you finish from left side also, you can take rest for a while and get ready for next posture, Akarna Dhanurasana. Now join your leg, keep your legs together. Inhale, slowly raise your both hands. With exhalation, bend forward and try to catch your big toes with your both hands. Fold your right leg and bring your right heel close to the body. Now don't release your hand, keep properly. With inhalation, lift up your right leg upward and try to bring your right big toe up to right ear. Stretch nicely. Keep more close to the ear. Try to keep your feet up to the ear. Be in the final position at least 30 seconds, and the same way you have to do with another side. Stay here, stay here. After 30 seconds later, slowly keep your leg down and give rest to your hand. Legs apart, hands apart, and relax for a while. This asana should not perform if you have fracture with hip joint, knee joint and shoulder joint, or if you hurt this joint, should not do this posture. Have severe back pain, then also you should not do this posture. This posture good for writing work, typing work or other fingers work. You must do this posture every day. Also this posture good for to protect ourselves from paralysis. Once you finish this posture, take rest for a while and now get ready for forward bending Paschimottanasana. Ready? Inhale, raise your hand upward, stretch as much as upward. Now exhale, smoothly bend forward and try to catch your feet or big toes. Now with inhalation, arch your spine and look up. Now exhale, try to touch your belly, chest and forehead on the feet or on the leg. Be in the final position at least 1 minute. Who should not do this posture? If you have back pain, spondylosis, vertigo problem, weakness, pregnancy, monthly periods and stomach operation, then you should not do this posture. This posture good for increasing your height, for weight loss, for belly fat, for inches loss, concentration, memory problem and many more. Once you finish with inhalation, slowly come up, inhale hands up, exhale hands down, legs apart and take rest for a while. After this asana, you can take rest for a while, so you can lie down on your back and relax in Shavasana for a while. Or if you feel comfortable, then you can sit comfortably in any meditative posture or in any Sukhasana posture. Keep your spine erect, eyes closed and focus on deep inhalation and exhalation. Prepare yourself for breathing practice. Now today we are going to practice humming sound Bhramari Pranayama practice. Okay? Now get ready. With inhalation, raise your hand up to shoulder level, fold your elbows and use your thumb. Keep your thumb inside your ear. Now keep your first finger on your eyebrows. Then second two fingers keep on your eyes and small finger keep on your lips. Shoulder should be in one line. Now inhale deeply, exhale smoothly and now once again inhale and make a honeybee sound. Inhale, start. Inhale. Inhale. And now slowly release your hand, keep your hands down. You can add up Namaste Mudra or you can keep your hands down. And now conclude the session with Om chanting and 3 Shanti. Inhale. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Have a nice day. Thank you.